Welcome to our comprehensive guide on working with operators and expressions in Java. Understanding these fundamental concepts is crucial for mastering Java programming. So, let's dive in. Operators in Java are symbols that perform operations on variables and values. Expressions, on the other hand, are combinations of variables, operators, and literals that evaluate to a single value. Today, we'll explore various types of operators and expressions in Java and how they can be used in your programs. First up, let's talk about arithmetic operators. These include addition, plus, subtraction, dash, multiplication, division, slash, and modulus, percent. The addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operators work as expected, but the modulus operator returns the remainder of a division operation. Let's see some examples. Understanding arithmetic operators is essential for performing basic mathematical operations in Java programs. Next, let's discuss relational operators. These operators are used to establish relationships between variables or values. They include equality, equals, inequality, equals, greater than less than greater than or equal to, greater than equals, and less than or equal to, less than equals. Relational operators return a Boolean value, either true or false, based on the comparison result. Here are some examples. Relational operators are fundamental for making decisions and controlling the flow of your Java programs. Moving on to logical operators. These operators are used to combine multiple conditions and determine the outcome. Java supports three main logical operators: and, or, vertical bar, and not. Logical operators are often used in conditional statements and loops to control program flow based on multiple conditions. Let's see them in action. Mastering logical operators is crucial for writing efficient and effective Java programs. Now, let's explore assignment operators. These operators are used to assign values to variables. In addition to the basic assignment operator, equals, Java provides compound assignment operators such as plus equals, slash equals, and percent equals. Compound assignment operators combine an arithmetic operation with assignment in a single statement, making code more concise and readable. Here are some examples. Understanding assignment operators is essential for managing variables efficiently in your Java programs. In conclusion, operators and expressions are foundational elements of Java programming. By mastering these concepts, you'll have a solid understanding of how to manipulate data and control program flow in Java. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Java programming tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy coding!